In this lesson we're going to look at similar triangles. So when looking at similar triangles, it says here if pairs of corresponding angles are equal, that means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal, therefore the triangles are similar. So let's look at these triangles here to see what we're talking about. Now the first thing to do is to be able to identify what corresponding angles are. So if you look at this one at the bottom, the 70, we can see that this triangle looks like an enlargement of the other triangle, so the corresponding angle is this one. So they're the same, but what we need to do is we need to prove that all of them are the same. So if we look at this other side, we should be able to generate all the angles in this triangle because we've got two, and we should understand that all the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if you look at this here, we've got 70 and 40, which makes 110. So this one over here, oops, that's a wee bit large. This one over here, it must also be 70. So again, if you look at this idea here, this is this corresponding angle to this one. So they're both 70, so it's looking good so far. Now the last one to look at is the top one. We've got 70, 70 and 40, which makes 180, and 70 and 70 makes 140, so you need 40 at the top. I'll just change that to white. And because all the angles, or all the corresponding angles are equal, that means the triangles are similar. What it also means is that the ratio of all the sides, the corresponding sides, are equal too. So this side here corresponds to this one over here. So this will be an enlargement of that. Say for example it's 1.5, then the enlargement of the bottom one to the corresponding bottom one will also be 1.5. And the enlargement of this side to this one will also be 1.5 because all the angles are the same. Let's look at a similar idea, but to do with sides. If ratios of pairs of corresponding sides are equal, that means the corresponding angles are equal, and therefore the triangles are similar. So you can either look at the angles or the sides to see if the triangles are similar. So if you look here, the corresponding side to this 6 is the 9 over here, and if you do 9 divided by 6, you'll get 1.5. And you can see on the other side, this is corresponding side to this one here. And again, if you do 9 divided by 6, you'll get 1.5. Now because two of the sides have the same enlargement scale factor, that means that the other one must have in a triangle. So these two triangles are said to be similar.